Today, let's talk about a superfood, Makhana. You might know it as foxnuts or lotus seeds. Makhana has been consumed in India for centuries. It's a powerhouse of nutrition and flavor. Recently, Makhana has become very popular all over the world. People are recognizing its incredible health benefits. Let's learn more about this amazing superfood. Makhana holds a special place in Indian history and tradition. It has been a part of our culture for thousands of years. Ancient Ayurvedic texts highly praise Makhana for its medicinal properties. It is used to balance the Vata and Pitta doshas, bodily humors in Ayurveda. Bihar, in India, is the heartland of Makhana cultivation. The farmers there are experts in growing this aquatic crop. For generations, Makhana has been a staple food in Bihar and other parts of India. Makhana is not only delicious, but also incredibly nutritious. It's low in calories and packed with essential nutrients. 100 grams of Makhana contains calories 347, protein 9.7 grams, carbohydrates 76.9 grams, fiber 14.5 grams, fat 0.1 grams. It's a good source of protein, carbohydrates, fiber, and essential minerals like magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus. Makhana is also rich in antioxidants, which protect our body from damage caused by harmful free radicals. Makhana is a boon for people with diabetes. It is not only tasty, but it also has many health benefits. Its low glycemic index makes it an excellent choice for managing blood sugar levels. It digests slowly, which prevents a sudden spike in blood sugar levels. The high fiber content present in Makhana helps in regulating the absorption of sugar in the bloodstream. This fiber also improves digestion and keeps you feeling full for a longer time. This prevents sudden spikes in blood sugar levels. Its regular consumption keeps blood sugar levels stable, which is very important for diabetic patients. Regular consumption of Makhana can help improve insulin sensitivity, making it easier for the body to use glucose effectively. This enhances the effect of insulin and controls sugar levels in the body. The antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties present in Makhana are also beneficial for diabetic patients. It reduces oxidative stress in the body and controls inflammation. If you have diabetes, including Makhana in your diet can be very beneficial. It will not only help control your blood sugar levels, but will also improve your overall health. So, make Makhana a part of your diet today and enjoy its amazing benefits. Section 5. Digestive Delight. Makhana for gut health. Makhana, also known as foxnuts or lotus seeds, is a powerhouse of nutrients that can significantly benefit your digestive system. Makhana is a digestive delight. It is not only delicious, but it is also very beneficial for your stomach. Its high fiber content promotes healthy digestion and keeps digestive problems at bay. High fiber foods like Makhana help in maintaining a healthy digestive tract by adding bulk to the stool. The fiber present in Makhana adds bulk to the stool, which prevents constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Regular consumption of Makhana can help in preventing constipation and ensuring smooth bowel movements. This prevents constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. In addition, the fiber present in Makhana keeps your stomach feeling full for a long time, preventing you from overeating. It also acts as a prebiotic, which nourishes the good bacteria in our gut. Prebiotics are essential for maintaining a balanced gut microbiome, which nourishes the good bacteria in our gut. A healthy gut microbiome is crucial for overall well-being, as it helps in better digestion, absorption of nutrients, and even boosts your immune system. A healthy gut microbiome is very important for overall well-being. The prebiotics present in Makhana help in improving your gut health. If you are troubled by digestive problems, Makhana can be a great option for you. It can help alleviate symptoms like bloating, gas, and indigestion. So adding Makhana to your diet can give you a lot of relief. Incorporating makhana into your daily diet is simple and can be done in various ways. You can snack on them, add them to your salads, or even include them in your smoothies for an extra health boost. Section 6. Weight Management Wonder. Makhana for a healthy weight. Makhana is a wonder food for weight management. It is not only delicious, but it also has many health benefits. It's low in calories, fat, and high in fiber, making it an ideal snack for those looking to shed some kilos. The fiber content in makhana helps in keeping you full for a longer period, reducing the urge to snack on unhealthy foods. The fiber present in makhana keeps you feeling full and satisfied for a longer time, which reduces overall calorie intake. In addition, makhana also contains antioxidants that help boost your metabolism, which reduces overall calorie intake. Regular consumption of makhana also improves your digestive system, which makes the weight loss journey even easier. It also helps in regulating blood sugar levels, which makes it a safe and healthy snack option even for diabetic patients. Prevents cravings and overeating. The protein present in makhana also helps in muscle building and repair, which is very important during weight loss. To support your weight loss journey, include makhana in your diet as a healthy snack option. You can eat it roasted, mixed in salad, or added to soup. Consuming makhana will not only help you control your weight, but it will also improve your overall health. Section 7. Heart and Kidney Health. Makhana's Protective Embrace. Makhana is a heart-healthy food. Its low sodium and high magnesium content helps regulate blood pressure, which reduces the risk of heart disease. It is also full of antioxidants, which protect the heart from damage caused by oxidative stress. Makhana is also beneficial for kidney health. It is low in potassium, which makes it a suitable snack for people with kidney problems. Including makhana in your diet can contribute to a healthy heart and kidneys. Section 8. Culinary Versatility. From savory snacks to sweet treats. Makhana is incredibly versatile in the kitchen. It can be enjoyed in numerous ways, from savory snacks to sweet treats. Roasted makhana, seasoned with spices like black pepper, cumin, and turmeric, makes a delicious and healthy snack. It can be added to curries, soups, and stews for a crunchy texture and added nutrition. Makhana can also be used to make sweet dishes like kheer, Indian rice pudding, and pudding. Section 9. Embrace the makhana. A call to healthy living. Friends, makhana is a true gift of nature. It's a superfood that's delicious, nutritious, and incredibly versatile. By including makhana in our diet, we can reap its numerous health benefits and enhance our overall well-being. So, let's embrace the goodness of makhana and make it a part of our daily lives. Stay healthy, stay happy.